In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an eBay listing. So whether you've decided to change up your sales approach or have simply sold your item elsewhere, I'll walk you through the essential steps to remove a listing from your eBay seller account. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the eBay website. Once you're on the home page, shift your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials, username, and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to take the next steps. Now direct your gaze to the top right corner and look for the My eBay option. Hover over this and a drop-down menu should appear. Within this menu, locate and click on Selling to navigate to the Selling Overview page where your active listings reside. At this point, you should be in the section that showcases your active listings. If you're currently on the page without any listings, just imagine seeing a list of all the items you're selling. Now let's focus on finding the listing you wish to delete. Scroll down through your list of active items until you spot the item you desire to remove. Once you've identified the listing, your next move is to select it. Look for a small checkbox adjacent to the listing and check it. This action signals eBay that this particular listing is the one you want to modify, specifically by ending it. With your listing selected, look for the Action menu. This is typically located at the top of your listings table. Click on it, and several options will appear. From this list, find the End Listing option and click on it. Now, eBay will prompt you to provide a reason for ending the listing. It's an important step because it helps eBay understand seller decisions. But don't worry. The reasons provided cater to a range of scenarios, such as the item no longer being available or a mistake in the original listing. Once you've chosen a reason, go ahead and confirm the deletion by following through with the prompts. This final step ensures that your listing is effectively removed from the eBay platform. If you've followed these steps, congratulations. You've successfully learned how to delete an eBay listing. This process gives you the flexibility to take control of your selling activities on eBay quickly and effectively. Remember, ending a listing is permanent, so make sure you've selected the correct item before you act. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more of our tutorials covering a variety of seller tools and tips. Happy selling!